The tech world is currently obsessed with the giant screens and the M4 chips, but there is a silent, almost cult-like community that's waiting for something much smaller. Something that fits in one hand but packs the power of a workstation. We are talking about the iPad mini. Specifically, the iPad mini 8. Now, I know what you're thinking. We just barely got through the rumors of the previous generation, so why are we already looking 2 steps ahead? Because the iPad mini 8 isn't just a tablet update. It represents the point where Apple finally decides if the mini brand lives or dies. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. And if the latest whispers from the supply chain in Cupertino and Shenzhen are true, Apple is planning a total mini renaissance. Imagine a device that finally deletes those chunky bezels. Imagine a screen that doesn't just look good but feels fluid with promotion technology, something mini fans have been begging for since 2012. But there's a catch. There's always a catch with Apple. As we dive into the architecture of the iPad mini 8, you're going to realize that this might be the most controversial tablet Apple has ever designed. The biggest question on everyone's mind is the display. For years, the mini has been treated like the middle child. It gets the hand-me-down parts while the pros get the OLEDs and the ultra-fast refresh rates. But the iPad mini 8 is rumored to be the turning point. We are looking at the possibility of a tandem OLED display. If you've seen the latest iPad Pro, you know that tandem OLED is a game changer. It's brighter, it's more vibrant, and most importantly, it's more efficient. But why put it in a mini? Because the mini is the ultimate portable gaming machine. If you're playing high-end titles or using it for professional color grading on the go, you need that color accuracy. But let's talk about the jelly scrolling ghost. It haunted the Mini 6, and users are terrified it'll return. The iPad mini 8 is expected to move the display controller entirely, effectively killing that lag once and for all. This isn't just a spec bump, it's a fix for a decade of hardware compromises. But as we move deeper into the internals, the real magic happens under the hood. We aren't just talking about an A-series chip anymore. There is a very high probability that the iPad mini 8 will debut with an M-series chip specifically tuned for thermal efficiency. Think of it as an M4 Lite, or a highly optimized M3. This means the mini 8 won't just be for reading ebooks or watching Netflix. It'll be a 4K video editing powerhouse that fits in your cargo pants pocket. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: Apple Intelligence. We are entering the era of AI, and Apple is playing catch-up in a big way. The iPad mini 8 is being designed as the primary portal for Apple Intelligence. Because of its size, it's the perfect AI companion. Imagine Siri actually being useful, pulling data from your emails, your notes, and your calendar, all processed locally on the neural engine of the Mini 8. This is why the RAM jump is going to be significant. We are likely looking at a minimum of 12 gigabytes of RAM. For a small tablet, that is unheard of. But for AI, it's a necessity. But what about the design? Apple rarely changes the chassis of the Mini, but the 8th generation is rumored to introduce a titanium variant to match the iPhone Pro line. This would make it the lightest iPad ever made while being incredibly durable. Imagine a device that feels like a